30 amazing benefits of diet and nutritional therapy. 1. Boosts energy levels. 2. Supports weight management. 3. Improves digestion. 4. Enhances mental clarity. 5. Promotes healthy skin. 6. Supports immune function. 7. Reduces inflammation. 8. Lowers blood pressure. 9. Improves heart health. 10. Supports bone health. 11. Regulates blood sugar. 12. Enhances cognitive function. 13. Supports eye health. 14. Promotes healthy hair and nails. 15. Reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression. 16. Improves sleep quality. 17. Supports healthy gut bacteria. 18. Reduces food sensitivities. 19. Enhances nutrient absorption. 20. Supports healthy liver function. 21. Promotes healthy kidneys. 22. Reduces oxidative stress. 23. Supports healthy joints. 24. Improves respiratory health. 25. Enhances athletic performance. 26. Supports healthy pregnancy. 27. Promotes healthy aging. 28. Reduces risk of chronic diseases. 29. Supports healthy thyroid function. 30. Enhances overall well-being. Diet and nutritional therapy can have a significant impact on overall health and well-being. By incorporating whole, nutrient-dense foods and avoiding processed and toxic substances, individuals can experience remarkable improvements in their physical and mental health. A well-balanced diet provides the body with the necessary building blocks to function optimally, supporting energy production, immune function, and cellular health. Nutritional therapy can also help alleviate symptoms of various health conditions, such as digestive issues, anxiety, and depression, by identifying and addressing underlying nutritional deficiencies and imbalances. Individuals can experience improved health outcomes and reduced symptoms. Some key components of a healthy diet include whole, unprocessed foods, fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, adequate hydration. In contrast, foods that can significantly impact health include processed and packaged foods, sugary drinks and foods, refined grains, saturated and trans fats, excessive sodium and caffeine. By making informed choices about diet and nutrition, individuals can take a proactive approach to supporting their health and well-being. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine the best nutritional approach for your individual needs. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.